Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Today I am discussing about the cycloalkanes. Conformation. Cycloalkanes. Conformations. First, we know that this is cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane, and cycloheptane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cycloheptane. Here what is the angle? 60 degree. Here what is the angle? 90 degree. Here what is the angle? 108. Here what is the angle? 120 degree. Here compulsory more than 120 degree. But how much you can calculate? By how to calculate the angles? Angle is equal to 180 minus 360 by n. N is number of sides that should be equivalent. All should be equal length. Then only this formula applicable. Clear? Then calculate and put here angle. So now, why we are discussing this conformation means? Keep in mind. This is become cyclopropane type method. Don't consider this rectangle triangle. Which one? Right angle triangle. So with right angle triangle, generally anyone here we are not considering any bond length respect. Because normal I am drawing, not with the scale. If you draw with the scale, then the lengths are all should be equal. So consider all lengths are equal. Now we know that this every carbon. Which type of hybridization? sp3 hybridization. So if sp3 hybridization meaning that is tetrahedral. What is the bond angle? That is 109.5 degree. Clear? So this will be considered this is tetrahedral structure. Now this is this one as well. Like this is a don't draw this just for understanding. This is cyclopropane. This angle is how much? 60. Actually this angle is how much? 109.5. Tetrahedral is this line 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This tetrahedral. But cyclopropane is like this. Angle how much? 60. But this angle is how much? 109.5. Therefore, subtract this is 109.5 minus 60. This is deviation from the actual angle. This is actual angle 109. But in this cyclopropane, how much this valency angle? When sp3 is there, this much angle compulsory. But cyclopropane having how much? 60. Subtract the value. How much? 49 something. So that much deviation. That is called angle of deviation. That is called angle of deviation. Amount of deviation also something formula is that we will calculate. But keep in mind. So due to actually it should be like this tetrahedral, no strain. Got the point? When angle is less, strain more. Angle is, for example, this is 180 degree angle. With this foot to head, don't consider from this earth to this thing perpendicular distance. Okay? That time 90 is there. This one. So angle less meaning strain less. Now I am with 180. If I bend, angle what happened? Decrease. Angle decrease means strain increase. Strain increase means stable or less stable? Less stable. So these are 1, 2, 3 are less stable. This is more stable. Again, if you compare here, this angle compared with this 109.5, this is different. So this is also unstable. So the most stable one, which one form? 6-member ring. This is stable. Remaining all unstable. So one general statement: 6-member ring only stable, and other lower or is unstable. What is the point here? So one more theory is there. What is the theory? Bayer's strain theory. It explains the stability of these cycloalkanes. Amount of deviation is equal to half of this one, 109.5 minus this valency angle. So first one, cyclopropane amount of deviation 1 by 2, 109.5 degree minus 60 degree. Calculate right here. Cyclobutane 1 by 2, 109.5 degree minus 90. Calculate and write here. Cyclopentane, use a calculator faster and tell. 109.5 degree minus how much? 108. Next, this is cyclohexane 1 by 2 into 109.5 degree minus 120 degree. Okay, calculate the first one how much? Whatever you call it, 49 by 2 something, how much? Faster. 24.70. Second one 9 point, you are subtracting by 2. 9.70. Next 0.75. Next minus, because it is higher value, this is lower value, compulsory minus value. Then minus how much? 5.5. If you do this one, again here angle will be minus, it may be 6 or 7 or whatever that. So according to this Bayes strain theory, which is having this amount of deviation is lower, not minus, only positive value. If you consider positive value, cyclopentane having the positive value, that is lowest. Therefore, he considered, according to Bayes, already I told you that this is stable, but according to Bayes, which is stable, cyclopentane is stable. Got the point? And if you observe the previous year's question paper in CET level also, these questions are asked. This is angle of deviation 109.5 minus this 60 in the cyclopropane. This is angle of deviation. This is amount of deviation. So you have to read the question carefully. Previously these are asked. Now they are not asking such type of question. But in case they may ask, that purpose only I have explained these points. So according to this, which is more stable? Cyclopentane. But later two scientists are came, that is called SASCHE, and more. So based on this, cyclopentane is more stable because it not exists in the normal planar structure. This is planar structure. Planar structure means like this. Like this. Two bonds. This is. And here. This is one plane. So this is planar structure. Which one? Cyclopentane. Sorry, hexane. Which one consider? Bayer. That's why this is most stable he considered. But according to these scientists, which is more stable? Cyclohexane is the most stable because it not only exists in the planar structure, it also can exist in the other form. This is planar structure. Why it is less stable? Meaning, see, here this bond, this one and this one. These are two bonds. Here two bonds mean, here how many hydrogens are there? Carbon value is how much? The remaining two hydrogens are there? Two hydrogen. Got the point? So at this corner consider. So at this corner, one hydrogen like this, up and down are considered, for example. So now this hydrogen meaning what is one bond. This hydrogen means one bond. One bond means how many electrons? 2 electrons. So these are eclipsed now. See, it is down and here down. And these are how it is eclipsed. Eclipsed means what is that? Torsional strain will be present. Therefore, this is unstable. If I show here, you will confuse. So these two are eclipsed formation. But here are appearing in eclipsed, not appearing. So you have to imagine this one. Actually, like this planar structure, these two are exactly parallel. When exactly parallel, we now observe this one. If you observe from this side, then this only appear, this will not appear. So this is having torsional strain. All hydrogens are torsional strain at all carbons. Therefore, this is unstable. Next one, half chain form. Half chain form means here torsional strain present or not? This carbon hydrogens are eclipsed. This carbon hydrogen is eclipsed. Only this is not. But 4 carbons or 5 carbons? 5 carbons are in eclipsed hydrogens. Only one is not. Therefore, it is also unstable. Here all carbon hydrogens are eclipsed. Here 5 carbon hydrogens are eclipsed. So little bit compared with this is somewhat stable, but not 100% stable. Then on this side I am again flipping. This is called flipping. See, now like this is it. Like this up, then we got this one. This is called flipping. Remaining all carbons same is there. Now this side is flipping. This side also flip. Then what you will get? Boat form you will get. These two are same. It means 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 same. Already we flipped like this. This I am flipping. Then you will get like this. This is called boat form. Okay? But actually you have to exactly draw them on same length. Then we will get the clarity. Like this. So here how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens. At every carbon, 2 hydrogen. This hydrogen, this is one hydrogen, this is another hydrogen. In between this is some repulsion, that is called steric repulsion. Smaller only, but little bit steric, because when you are together like this, if normal is there, away. But when you are like this, like boat, then it is having some repulsion. That is called flagpole. I will write down. Flagpole repulsion. You may be observing the boat. Like this flag will be there. Yes, sir? For a clear movement purpose, one flag will be there in the boat. That is called flagpole repulsion. These two hydrogens having which type of repulsion? Flagpole repulsion. Therefore, boat form also unstable. And here, again you have this and this also having which one? Again eclipsed form. Again it having the torsional strain. This carbon hydrogens are in eclipsed. Here eclipsed. Again torsional strain also present. Flagpole repulsion also present. This is just twist. If you twist, then you will get here. Like this. Don't consider this spiral. Don't consider this spiral compound. Now it is there now. Just twisted. Then otherwise how? Now I have like this. Twisted. Another one here, one carbon, second carbon, third, fourth, like this. Total 6 carbons are 1, 2, 3. Here not carbon. 4, 5, 6. Twisted form. This is called twist boat. Otherwise, it is also may be represented in this way. Like this also. This is and this is same. Both are twist boat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 carbon. Twist boat is little bit stable than the boat form because somewhat less torsional strain. And anyway some repulsion will be there, like flagpole type repulsion little bit will be there. So it is less thick. After that This is one, two, three. The fourth, this is the fifth. Then sixth one is how to draw the chair form. Now only learn. Actually, chair form is a more stable than other structure. So how to draw this chair form? Carefully observe. Two unequal parallel line like this. Got? Now observe how to draw. These two connect. These two connect. This is called chair form. This is called chair form. If you flip these are interconvertible. Flipping. Observe once. Flip means this down card will go up. This up card will come down. Then this slant will be changed. How? Unequal parallel lines connect. Both are chair form. These two are parallel. Then these two are parallel. Then where? Parallel. Another one? These two are parallel like this here also. But equal in all bonds are equal. Got the point? This is a chain form. Then can you expect what is the angle here? What is the angle here also? Here also all angle, whatever the possibilities of the angle. What is the angle? Expecting is not difficult. Already they experimentally observed. This angle is 109.5 degree. Therefore, no angle of deviation in chair form. You may know the Aram chair. This is not normal chair. Whatever this plastic chair is not. Okay. So this is called chair form. Chair form is more stable than the all. So why it is more stable? No eclipsing of this, no torsional strain. No flat pole interaction, and no hydrons are in eclipsed form. In all are in which form? Staggered form. Keep in mind. Once again I am telling here, this is most important. This carbon is up carbon or down carbon? This is how they are looking now. Up carbons. What about it? This is which one? Down. This is which one? Up. Up now is this is down. Clear this is? Now this hydrogen is known as axial hydrogen. This hydrogen is known as equatorial hydrogen. That's why I will write E here. A means axial. If you want, I will write here. A means what is that? Axial. E means what is that? Equatorial. Or equatorial, something is there. This is spelling you can check from the book. This is equatorial, means it is along with the plane. Equatorial hydrogen present along with the plane. But this is perpendicular to the plane, axial hydrogen. Got the point? Otherwise, simply axial hydrogens are present up or down, perpendicular to the plane. This is up, axial. This is down, hydrogen axial. Next here, hydrogen equatorial. Here H axial, H equatorial, H axial, H equatorial, H axial, and H equatorial. Here space no other. You just observe H axial, H equatorial. Got the point here? So this will be up or down. When the carbon, up carbon having axial hydrogen up mean automatically the up carbon equatorial should be down. There is no choice because carbon is how much? How much? 4. One bond, second bond, third is axial up mean compulsory equatorial down. That is called tetrahedral. Got the point here? So next, if down carbon hydrogen is, this is down, that is axial, then automatically equatorial hydrogen is which one? Up. This is up hydrogen, this is down hydrogen. This is up hydrogen, this is down hydrogen. Clear? Why I am explaining this up and down meaning to identify the cis and trans also based on this. Axial hydrogen, what is that? Perpendicular to the plane, vertical line. Equatorial line, hydrogen is in the plane. Otherwise, we can say somewhat slant line is there here. Inclined line. It is exactly vertical type. Exactly vertical type is there, that is axial. Somewhat inclined line type is there, that is equatorial. Clear? So these are axial, equatorial hydrogen. Here, long gap is there, no repulsion. Like axial, it is there little bit, but compared with this flagpole, very less. Therefore, this form is more stable than the remaining other form. Now they may ask a question, order of stability of these, all these three, 6 this is 6 form. Okay, now tell which is more stable. Chair form is more stable, this chair form. Both are chair form only. Next, twist, boat. Next, boat. Next, half chair, this is called half chair. Sorry. These both are twist boat. Then this is boat, this is half chair. Half chair. Then next, planar. This is the order of their stability. Clear this is? Okay. Now, this is chair form. Now, otherwise it may be given like this. 1, 2 position. We have the methyl position, methyl group. At first position, at second position, we have the methyl group. 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane. When cyclohexane is given in examination, then always in your mind should be strike this form, not this. Because all problems are solved with respect to cyclohexane chair form, not with respect to this form. Sometimes maybe it can be, sometimes both are equal type when your problem solving. But maximum cases are solving problem based on which one? Chair form. You may be studying the haloalkane chapter elimination reaction. Studied or not? So that E2, E1 elimination, then the E2 depends on this one. I think you studied or not that mechanism. So this is very, very important. Now that also I will include something. 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane. Normally what you will write? This is one position, this is second position. 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane this is. But when you are problem solving, this may be cis also, trans also. How to write the cis form? For example, this is given like both are same or not? Then what do you call this is? Cis. If it is given like, then this is which one? Trans. Now here we have to represent. It is planar structure, that's why both are front side, cis, both are back side, cis, one front, one back, trans. But here how to say? Here front, back, no there. It is not planar structure type. Then how? Tell. See how to identify. One methyl group at first one. Here any one carbon is first position because where you are giving that is the first position only now. Because we know that when name is given, writing structure is easy. First write the root word cyclohexane. Position where you want first position, that is only first now. This is also first, this is also first, this is also first. Because where you want, that is only first way. For example, I want here. Clear? Then this is which one? Methyl group, Me. Second, what is there here? That is also methyl. But cis form or trans form, nothing given here. But if given, now this is cis given, this is trans given. I have to draw the cis form first. Cis form I am drawing. Cis form, how to draw that? Both should be same side. Cis form is what? Supposed to be same side of the plane. Now, this one, both are same or not? Or opposite is there? That's why I explained the up and down. This height is which one? Axial means up or down? This height is which one? Axial. Down. This is which one? Up. Like this is there. This is line. This line. This is line. This is exactly vertical. This is like this. Then these two are which one? Little bit same size. If like this is there, opposite. Then these are trans. So based on this, what do you consider? Up or cis? Up, down or trans? Simple. This is a shortcut trick to remember how to identify. So I mean, other form also is there. If you read in the other book, axial, equatorial, axial, like this one big table is there. Then I also confuse with that table because I am also forgetting sometimes which is axial, which is equatorial. Confusion that. So up, down, cis. Both up, cis. Both down, cis. Got the point? Up, down, trans. Then now this is up, this is up. Otherwise you should know that first this carbon is which one? Down carbon. Then this will be down hydrogen. Then here whatever the group, hydrogen or methyl or any group, that should be up only. If you are identifying this is a down, mean automatically this is up only now. Then up is there, that is called cis form. Means cis form. Can you write the trans form? Transform how to write? This is the first position, methyl group. This is second position, methyl group. Both are same direction or opposite direction? Opposite. Then it is which one? Trans. Got the point? Now it is easy. 1, 2 is there. If 1, 3 given, tell 1, 3. 1, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane. 1, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane. Okay. In 1, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane. So here only I will explain one thing I forgot here. In this one, if 1, 2 dimethyl hexane is there, no? Otherwise take only methyl only. After I explain, you will explain 1, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane. This is one position. Now here cis also we have to draw. Another is trans also we have to draw. One cis form and then trans form. Can you tell at which position methyl group should be present? 1 and 3. If I get this 1, this is a 2, then this will be which one? 3. Otherwise this is 1, this is which one? This is. Then where you want back carbon or front carbon? That is your choice. Because when you draw the structure, that is your choice. So for example, 1, 2, 3. Then cis forming, I want to draw the methyl group up or down. Up. Then you understand now. So this is cis form. What about transforming? Down. Very good. This is up mean this will be. Otherwise it may be like this also. Don't confuse. This is which form? Equatorial methyl group. Equatorial methyl. Then here equatorial. Both are same side or not? Here up is there. Here down is there. Cis form. Then here can you draw for this with equatorial? Transforming. This is equatorial. This is axial. What is that? One down, one up. So like this will be represented. Now here methyl cyclohexane. Methyl cyclohexane. So this form is stable or this form is stable. This is methyl cyclohexane. This is also methyl cyclohexane. But here methyl present which position? Axial. Here methyl present which position? Equatorial. What the point? Then which form is stable? How to decide?